In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks to Google Chrome. Vertical bar, updated for 2022 and 2023. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready to use. If Chrome is already open, you can simply use your current window. Next, search for the website that you want to bookmark. You can do this by typing the website name or web address into the address bar at the top of Chrome, then pressing Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the page to load completely so you can confirm that you are on the correct website. When the website is open, look to the right side of the address bar. You will see a star icon there. Click that star icon to add the page to your bookmarks. This is the main action that saves the site inside Chrome. After you click the star, Chrome may show a small pop-up where you can review the bookmark. In many cases, the page is bookmarked right away, and you may also have the option to change the name or choose where to save it. If the star icon changes appearance after you click it, that usually means the bookmark was added successfully. That is a helpful visual sign that the page has been saved. The next time you want to visit that website, you can open it from your bookmarks instead of searching for it again. That covers everything you need to know.